I mean, just take a look at this. You can go and earn $3 off this link, $3 again off this link, $3 again off this link, and your leads are basically required to go and fill out these CPA offers where you're going to make $3 again and again and again on up to 5 times over and over again. And then on top of that, you're going to be making another $30 commission on your 4th final affiliate offer. So in this strategy, you're going to learn how to go and make up to 5 different streams of income literally off this free unlimited ads websites over here. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned and let's get straight into it. In today's video, I found this interesting strategy where we can go and use the Gmail autoresponder with this content locker over here and this free classified ads website over here to make anywhere between $200 and $300 a day completely for free. Now, what I absolutely love about this, the Gmail autoresponder over here is completely automatic. Now, whenever somebody emails you, your response is automatically sent to them. Now, there is multiple ways that we can actually go and monetize this and make money off of this, but we're going to be doing something new. We're going to be using the automation responder on Gmail and this content locker over here to make tons of affiliates and CPA commissions all at the same time. So we're actually going to be making money off 2 different things at the same time with this strategy. And the website that we're going to be using to get tons of free unlimited ads and unlimited free traffic from this is getting anywhere between 1.5 and 1.9 million views every single month. That's an average of 1.6 million views every single month. And most of the traffic is coming from United States. That's over 50% of the traffic. And the other 3 out of the 4 countries are first world countries. So it's super important to do an analysis on a website when looking for traffic, as obviously traffic from first world countries are much better quality and convert much higher than that of third world countries. So with that being said, this all adds up perfectly. We've got millions of traffic and viewers from top first world countries over here, and we're going to be making money off 2 products at the same time. But before we hop into the first website, I want you to go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Also, come over to my Instagram over here, give me a follow, you can DM me, you can follow some of my podcast content, you can also see into my personal life, and you can also follow some of my trading results on Instagram. And I'm going to be doing an epic $30 giveaway in today's video. If you can count how many times I say the word ads in this video from beginning till end, comment down below the right answer. I will choose someone out of the comments who got it right, and I will send that person $30. I'll reply to your comments, and I'll also announce you as the winner in tomorrow's video. So make sure to go and do that. You also need to leave a like and make sure you subscribed and comment down below your answer down below. So make sure to watch through this entire video and count how many times I say the word ad. I'll give you a hint. Put this video on 0.5 times speed so that you can hear me talk slower, you can hear my words more clearer, and it will be easier for you to count. The first thing we're going to go and do is we're going to go and find an affiliate offer. So we can come over to a website called digistore24.com, which is one of my favorite affiliate marketing platforms right now. I find they're offering much higher commissions on most of the products compared to something like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or JVZoo. That's why I'm capitalizing on the huge commissions with Digistore24 right now. So I'm just going to quickly log in with my account and I'll meet you on the marketplace. Once you're on your dashboard, it's going to pop up with all the categories and some of the top grossing products here right now. Here you can see 80%, 50%, 85%. So the commissions on these affiliate products on Digistore24 are very, very high. I mean, on a $42 product, or $35 product, you're getting $30 out of that sale. So this company has decided to give you over 85% of the total sale. That is a lot of money. That is nearly 100% of the product. And the exact category that we're going to go and use, we're going to come over to internet marketing and e-business over here, and it will pop up with all sorts of courses on how to perfect affiliate marketing, how to build your own YouTube business, how to automate YouTube with out your face in YouTube, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, 75% commission. This is actually the product that we're going to be using over here. Reason being is because this gives people the opportunity to make money as well. So not only you make money from this, the people that you refer to this program can also make money using Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So let me show you. If I click on promote now, you will get your unique affiliate link. Now, every time someone clicks on this link and makes a sale or buys that product, you're going to get your commission of 75%, which is really good. So I mean, here people can start a little quiz and then it will pop up with all sorts of jobs where they can get paid between $25 and $50 per hour doing all sorts of social media jobs. Now we can go and promote this as an affiliate and actually make money off of it as well. Now that we've got our affiliate product, we're going to come over to this website over here called cpagrip.com, which we can use a content locker, a URL and file locker, video locker, offer walls, and virtual currency policies as well. So we want to go and register an account. If you don't have an account, let me just take you through the process. You'll see over here when you click on register, it's going to take you to a page where you just need to give your first name, company name, or if you don't have to enter that, your email and your password, your time zone, and your address over here. Click on register now. I've already got an account, so I'm going to log in and meet you on the dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard on cpagrip.com, come over to offer tools and click on my offers so we can go and view the different CPA offers for us to go and promote. So hopefully you can see a trend so far. We're not only going to make money on our affiliate product on Digistore 24 over here, we're also going to go and make money with CPA offers with a content locker on cpagrip.com using the Gmail automation tool and that free traffic unlimited ads website that I'm going to show you in a bit. So all of this is such a high way of converting because it's really organic, and that plays a huge role in conversions. So take a look at this over here. We want to go and filter by the country. I would say United States over here. Popular countries, only select popular countries. And I mean, take a look at this. You can enter a $1,000 PayPal gift card, and every person that you refer to this giveaway, it's method of lucky draw, you're going to get $2.57 per person that you refer to this. Get a $1,000 Target gift card. Every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you're going to get $2.39. So what you want to do is you want to open up your notepad or any sort of Word document on your phone or your PC. And we're going to put this over here. And all we want to do is we want to go and copy, for example, we want to go and click on the PayPal gift card. We want to go and copy its title, paste this in your notepad, and we want to go and get our affiliate link as well and go and paste this underneath. Click on enter, and we just want to go and grab a couple of the best offers. Also, what you want to do is quickly, you just want to come back to Digistore 24, copy your affiliate offer as well. So let's go get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and we're going to just put our affiliate link underneath this as well. So you just want to keep everything organized in a note document over here so you don't lose any of these links. Then what you want to do is you just want to go and choose about 3 or 4, even up to 5 of these CPA offers. Let's go and use this brand new PS5 giveaway so we can go and copy the title of this just so we know what CPA offer this is. Then we're going to click on enter, paste this over here, and we can go and copy our affiliate link and put that underneath. Let's go and look for our last 3 offers. So let's do the Target giveaway. Get $1,000 to spend at Target. Copy this title. Let's go and paste this underneath, and again we go and copy our affiliate link over here, and we're going to paste this underneath. I would say let's go and get 2 more to play it safe. Let's go use a Bitcoin gift card. So this is a giveaway via lucky draw where you can win $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So let's go and copy the title of this, enter, and we can go and paste our affiliate link over here. So yeah, you can see everything is nicely organized in this notepad document over here. Let's do one more. We can do a Venmo giveaway. So let's do $750 sent to your Venmo. How this works is when you refer people to this giveaway, they obviously collect your name and email, and when your leads submit their name and email, that's when you get paid your $1.70 or whatever the commission is, and that company will then choose a random email out of all the people that have entered the giveaway to give the random giveaway to. So there we go. Now we've got all our offers over here. We can save this notepad as we're going to use this later on. And the next step is we're going to be using this website over here, which is getting well over 1.9 million views every single month, to get tons of free traffic to this website. I'm also going to show you how you can use this website to open up a database of about 70 other websites just like this one, to 70 times your traffic, to 70 times your clicks, and to 70 times your earnings. It's an awesome bonus that I have at the end of this video for you guys, so you don't want to miss that. What you want to do is on the top right of classifiedads.com, you want to go and click on post a free ad over here. Your category, you want to select jobs. You want to select a subcategory over here. Social media would fall under marketing jobs over here. For the location, what I suggest you do is, since we only want to promote in the United States, we want to go and search over here, United States address generator. Click on enter over here, open up the US fake address generator, and you basically want to go and create these unlimited ads in all states and all cities around the United States. So over here we can use, this is New York, Westbury, so we can copy the postal code of this, paste our postal code over here, just select the option that pops down. It will be Westbury, New York. We can add our ad title, compensation, and our description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out this ad, show you what I said so that you can screenshot that and copy exactly what I said. Work from home job, $30 per hour, compensation, which is how much they're going to get paid, $30 per hour. Your description wants to go along the following lines. We are looking for people who are interested in working from home. You need to be familiar with social media websites, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, and have 3 hours hours per week to work on simple tasks. Pre-qualification is done with a simple quiz that takes 5 minutes. You need to fill this out. If we qualify, you are happy. If you qualify, we are happy to work with you. Please email us here so we can send you the quiz. And then you want to put your Gmail account. Then what you want to do is you want to come over to your Gmail settings. So on the top right, there will be a big settings bar. Scroll all the way to the bottom to the vacation responder over here. And for your subject, you want to type the following: work from home, thank you for your application. And then your response text wants to be the following: hey, thank you for your application. Please complete these 3 surveys, no purchase needed, and send us the final pages that you are going to land on. Then what you want to do is open up your notepad document, copy your affiliate link of 3 or 4 of these CPA offers. So let's copy number 1. Number 2, we can use the PS5 giveaway. Number 3, we can go and use, for example, the Target giveaway over here. Now, why this works so well is firstly because you asking them to email you, you getting them to reach out to you. So it's not, they don't see it as spam or anything like that. They think that you are a legitimate person that they're talking to applying for a job. Now, this 3 surveys basically confirms that they're a real person, and you're telling them they need to reply with the final pages that they land on all of these surveys. That means they need to complete all 3 of these CPA offers, meaning you're going to earn $3 here, $3 again, and $3 again off all of these surveys at the same time. And then what you want to do is when they reply to you with their answer, you need to respond with the following response: hey, thank you and congratulations, please sign up through this page. And then what you want to do is put your affiliate link to the $30 get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube affiliate products. So now you're making money, or 3 times your money on 3 CPA offers, and then a 4th stream of income off this affiliate product over here. Please sign up through this page. There is a minimal sign up fee, and if you don't make your money back on these social media jobs within 30 days, you can request a no questions asked refund and click here to sign up and earn $30 per hour and paste your affiliate link again. So this section over here, you don't want to send in your first email. You only want to send this first, and then once they reply with the answers of these 3 surveys over here, respond with this answer over here. So you can go and screenshot this. I'll leave it on the screen for about a second or 2. Go and save this if you want to. And I want you to comment down below if you think this is going to convert well compared to any of my other CPA marketing strategies that I have on my YouTube channel. I definitely think this is one of my best ways to go and make money with this. I mean, as you can see, you can literally make $3 over and over again off these free unlimited ads, and then a 4th stream of income off your affiliate link over here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you out even more. I'm going to give you an entire CPA marketing course on YouTube completely for free. It's only videos on YouTube, so there's no upsell to some ridiculous $2,000 course. It's an entire playlist on the screen over here with, I think, about 40 to 50 of my best CPA marketing videos over the last 2 years. There's honestly thousands of dollars worth of information over here. I've made thousands of dollars off these videos over here. So what I suggest you do is go and click on the CPA marketing playlist over here if you want to scale more with CPA and affiliate marketing. But click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.